Hello, welcome to the Tech Plug channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of fitness trackers and smartwatches. I mean, seriously, the options are endless. These nifty devices not only give you a bigger picture of your health and wellness, but also keep you updated with handy smart notifications, all right on your wrist. It's like having a personal assistant with you at all times. Now, if you're someone who's really into tracking your sports activity, performance, and recovery, then let me introduce you to a brand that has made quite a name for itself in this space, Garmin. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts absolutely love Garmin watches for their reliability, accuracy, and practicality. These watches are designed to cater to all kinds of activities, from skiing to golfing, running to rowing, and even yoga and more. Talk about versatility. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we have the best Garmin watch for women, the Garmin Lily. If you're looking for a stylish and functional smartwatch that fits well on petite wrists, then the Garmin Lily might just be the perfect choice for you. First of all, its slim and attractive design is specifically tailored for smaller wrists. So, if you've struggled to find a smartwatch that doesn't overpower your arm, the Lily is definitely worth considering. It comes with a leather or silicone band, allowing you to choose the style that suits you best. The stainless steel bezel and various shade options give it a classy look, almost resembling a traditional watch. If you prefer a silicone band and aluminum bezel, you can opt for the Lily Sport Edition, which is almost identical in functionality. The Garmin Lily features a responsive and intuitive touchscreen, making navigation a breeze. Despite its small 34mm screen, you won't have any trouble accessing the features and options you need. Plus, there's an integrated digital button at the bottom of the watch face for easy control. When it comes to health tracking, the Lily doesn't disappoint. It can track your steps, sleep, hydration, stress levels, and even your body battery. It also covers key activities like walking, running, and swimming. However, it's important to note that the Lily doesn't track as many activities as some other Garmin watches. You can choose up to 7 activities to be displayed on the watch at a time, but you can swap them out using the Garmin app. Just keep in mind that if you're into sports like skiing or golfing, you might want to consider a more advanced Garmin model. One downside of the Garmin Lily is that it doesn't have built-in GPS. However, if you carry your phone with you during your walks or runs, you can still view your GPS data in the Garmin app. So, it's not a deal breaker if you're always accompanied by your phone. Now, let's talk about the cons of the Garmin Lily. First, there's no music storage, so you won't be able to listen to your favorite tunes directly from the watch. You'll need your phone for that. Additionally, the battery life could be longer. It lasts around 5 days, which is decent, but it's always nice to have a longer battery life for those times when you can't charge it regularly. At number 4, we're going to talk about the Garmin Fenix 7S. First off, it's loaded with versatile training features and sports apps. No matter what activity you're into, the Fenix 7S has got you covered. It can track everything from fishing to kitesurfing to horseback riding. And if you're a diver, you'll be thrilled to know that this watch is water resistant up to 100 meters. But that's not all. The Fenix 7S goes above and beyond with its advanced metrics and monitoring capabilities. It's like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. You can keep track of your heart rate, distance covered, calories burned, and so much more. It's a fitness enthusiast's dream come true. One of the standout features of this watch is its real-time mapping. Imagine you're out hiking or running, and your phone loses signal. No worries. The Fenix 7S allows you to trace back your steps and navigate your way back without any hassle. It's a game changer for those who love exploring the great outdoors. Now, let's talk about the cherry on top, the solar charging lens. This watch can be charged with solar energy. Spend just 3 hours in full sun and watch your battery life extend. While we haven't personally tested this feature on a hiking trip, we love that you can check the solar intensity right on the watch itself. It's a great option for those who spend a lot of time outside and want to maximize their battery life. However, like any other product, the Fenix 7S does have its cons. First and foremost, it comes with a hefty price tag. It's not the most budget-friendly option out there, so keep that in mind. Additionally, the screen isn't as bright as displays found on some other Garmin watches. You might need to press the light button at night to read the screen clearly. In terms of battery life, the Fenix 7S can last up to 11 days on a single charge, and that extends to 14 days with the solar charging feature. That's pretty impressive considering all the features packed into this watch. When it comes to design, the Fenix 7S strikes a balance between ruggedness and wearability. It doesn't feel too bulky on smaller wrists, which is a big plus. At number 3 we have the Garmin Venu 2 Plus. This watch is an excellent choice for beginner runners who want a versatile and user-friendly device. The Garmin Venu 2 Plus boasts a large and bright display, which is perfect for easily glancing at your stats while on the go. It's also super responsive, so you won't have to deal with any lag or delays when interacting with the watch. One standout feature of this watch is the built-in speaker and microphone. That means you can make quick phone calls directly from your watch, perfect for when you're out on a run. Plus, you can even ask your phone's voice assistant questions when the watch is paired with your compatible smartphone. Another pro of the Venu 2 Plus is the inclusion of the ECG app. This app allows you to track irregular heart rhythms, providing valuable insights into your heart health. It's a feature not commonly found in many other Garmin watches, so it's definitely a bonus. One potential downside of the Venu 2 Plus is its button design. Some users have mentioned that it could benefit from a 5-button layout instead of the current configuration. However, this is a minor gripe and may not bother everyone. Overall, the Venu 2 Plus is a fantastic option for beginner runners. It combines the best of both worlds, offering smartwatch features along with Garmin's renowned athletic tracking capabilities. The touchscreen display is large and bright, making it easy to read your stats and notifications. The watch itself has a sleek and lightweight stainless steel design, giving it a stylish look that can be worn every day. In terms of features, the Venu 2 Plus doesn't disappoint. It comes with over 25 sports apps, allowing you to track various activities beyond just running. Additionally, you'll get sleep score insights and women's health tracking, making it a comprehensive fitness companion. Battery life is impressive, with up to 9 days of usage on a single charge. The watch is water resistant, so you won't have to worry about damaging it during your sweaty workouts or when you're caught in the rain. And of course, it has built-in GPS, a must-have for accurate tracking of your running routes. So, what do the users have to say about the Venu 2 Plus? Well, one tester mentioned that it feels like a watch that can easily be worn every day, striking a perfect balance between athletic functionality and everyday wearability. The responsive display, great visuals, and accurate tracking were also praised by other testers. They particularly liked the easy-to-understand presentation of data points. At number 2, we have the Garmin Forerunner 55. If you're a runner or a fitness enthusiast on a budget, this watch is definitely worth considering. One of the biggest pros of the Garmin Forerunner 55 is its great value. It offers a lot of features at a more affordable price compared to some of the higher-end models. It tracks most activities and metrics that you would expect from a running watch. Whether you're running, swimming, hiking, or doing a HIIT workout, this watch has got you covered. Another pro is its comfortable and lightweight design. You don't want a watch that feels bulky and uncomfortable while you're working out, right? Well, the Forerunner 55 is designed with your comfort in mind. And let's not forget about the impressive battery life. This watch can last up to 14 days on a single charge. That's pretty amazing, considering all the features it offers. You won't have to worry about constantly charging it. One of the cons of the Forerunner 55 is that its display isn't as bright as the more premium screens. If you're used to bright and vibrant displays, you might find this a bit disappointing. Also, it doesn't have a touchscreen, which some people might prefer for easier navigation. And if you're someone who loves to listen to music while you work out, you might be disappointed to know that the Forerunner 55 doesn't have music storage. So, you'll have to carry your phone or music player with you if you want to listen to music during your workouts. Finally, coming in at number 1 is the best overall Garmin watch on the market, the Garmin Forerunner 265S. First off, it tracks a wide variety of activities and metrics. Whether you're into running, swimming, golfing, skiing, or even Pilates, this watch has got you covered. It's your ultimate companion for all your fitness endeavors. One thing that really stood out to us was the super bright screen. No matter the weather conditions, you'll have no trouble reading the display on this watch. It's crystal clear and easy to see, even in bright sunlight. Now, let's talk about comfort. The Forerunner 265S boasts a lightweight and comfortable design. You won't even notice you're wearing it during your workouts or throughout the day. It's sleek and ergonomic, ensuring a great fit on your wrist. Battery life is always a concern when it comes to smartwatches, but fear not. The Forerunner 265S won't let you down. Garmin claims it can last up to 15 days on a single charge. Of course, keep in mind that this may vary depending on your usage, particularly if you're utilizing GPS frequently. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the downsides. The main drawback of this watch is its price. It's definitely on the pricier side of the spectrum. However, if you're serious about your fitness and want a reliable and feature-packed watch, it might be worth the investment. Moving on to some of the standout features. One of our favorites is the daily workout suggestions and body battery monitoring. This watch keeps track of your physical activity, sleep, and more, allowing you to better understand your energy needs. It's like having your own personal fitness coach on your wrist. Runners will be delighted to know that the Forerunner 265S covers all types of running activity. Whether you're hitting the outdoor track, treadmill, or conquering the trails, this watch has your back. And here's an awesome feature: live tracking. It enables your friends and family to keep tabs on your location during a race. Safety first. The user-friendly app that accompanies this watch makes reviewing your metrics easier than ever. And guess what? You don't need to bring your phone along for GPS tracking. The Forerunner 265S has built-in GPS, so you can leave your phone at home and still get highly accurate data. Plus, if you're a music lover, you can download your favorite tunes straight to the watch for phone-free listening. Lastly, if you're an advanced runner seeking even more insights and analytics, our pros recommend checking out the more premium Forerunner 965. It's got some extra bells and whistles for the dedicated runners out there. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.